Creating professional banners no longer requires advanced design skills or expensive software. With Ideogram AI, you can generate high-quality banners in just a few clicks using simple text prompts. To get started, open Ideogram AI and set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is one of the most commonly used formats for website banners, YouTube channel art, promotional graphics, and digital advertisements. Next, head to the prompt box and describe your banner idea in detail. The more information you provide, the better the AI can understand your vision. You can include details such as colors, text, branding elements, background style, lighting, and the overall mood you want the banner to have. For example, you could write, "Modern gaming banner with neon blue lighting, futuristic city background, bold typography, cinematic effects, high-energy esports theme, professional banner design." Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate button and let the AI create your designs. Within a few moments, Ideogram will generate 4 unique banner variations based on your description. Review the generated banners and choose the one that best matches your style or brand. When you've found your favorite design, simply download it and start using it for your channel, website, business, or social media pages. It's one of the fastest and easiest ways to create professional-looking banners without any graphic design experience.